Ready, set, go. How to say jerapah in English?
Giraffe.
How to say
Giraffe.
gajah?
Giraffe.
Okay. How to say gajah in English?
Elephant.
How to say semut in English?
Ant.
How to say buaya in English?
Crocodile.
How to say harimau in English?
Tiger.
How to say ikan in English?
Fish.
How to say sapi in English?
Cow.
How to say kucing in English?
Cat.
How to say anjing in English?
Dog.
How to say bebek in English?
Duck.